Hello, my name is Mango. Our lamp oil filling line is ready and debugged. It is ready for shipment. Let me show you what equipment it has. First of all, this is using a servo pump. Automatic filling of 12 heads raised while filling. The next one is an automatic lower cover, using crawler type gland. First, sleeve label on the barrel mouth. Electric shrink the label film. The last one is automatic unpacking. Packing and sealing packaging. Every line is automated. Our line is also suitable for jam, shampoo, body wash, and other products. Bottles and jars are suitable. All of them could be filled in by our filling machine.